Hi, everyone. My name's Alicia with Chile Nativo Travel, and I'm here today to give you a glimpse into one of nature's greatest outdoor playgrounds, Chilean Patagonia. So, a little bit about Chile Nativo. Since 2001, we have been helping travelers explore and fall in love with Patagonia. Our headquarters is right here in Puerto Natales, the gateway to Torres del Paine National Park. And we specialize in private, small group, and tailor-made programs in Torres del Paine and Tierra del Fuego. We offer guided and self-guided travel options, and we're proud to donate $15 for each of our guests to the Torres del Paine Legacy Fund, who works with conservation projects and community development initiatives within the national park and its surrounding areas. Our programs have been featured in National Geographic and Outside Magazine, and we're also an official supplier of the Route of the Parks of Patagonia, which is a conservation of Chilean Patagonia, and a scenic route stretching 1,700 miles between Puerto Montt and Cape Horn. It includes 17 national parks and 60 distinct communities. Adventure is endless in Patagonia, and Chile Nativo Travel has taken travelers to remarkable corners of Tierra del Fuego, Torres del Paine, and the region of Aysén, as well as other pristine regions throughout Patagonia. We offer backpacking, trekking, kayak excursions, iconic horseback riding adventures, mountain bike and multi-sport programs, as well as unforgettable nature and family trips. So here's a little inspiration from the heart of Patagonia. So as you saw, Patagonia is stunning and has endless adventures and interactions with its nature and the local communities and culture. Patagonia is more than 1 million square kilometers and offers a variety of locations where you can go to explore pristine beauty and otherworldly landscapes, including the regions of Magallanes, which is the second least populated region of Chile, and it's the southernmost and largest region within the country. And also the region of Aysén, which is a very sparsely populated region of Chile, and also named one of Lonely Planet's top destinations to visit. Wherever you are in Chilean Patagonia, you'll be surrounded by its pristine landscapes with more than 620 glaciers and a low population density. Chilean Patagonia has a diverse array of landscapes, including fjords and mountains, valleys, waterfalls, pampa, sub-Antarctic forests, and of course, the southern Patagonia ice fields. In the region of Magallanes lies Torres del Paine National Park, which is declared the eighth wonder of the world and a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. The Paine Massif is known as one of the most beautiful mountains on the planet. And as one of Chile's best known national parks, Torres del Paine is always on the minds of trekkers and climbers. Aside from its otherworldly beauty, visitors are fascinated by the diversity of its outdoor activities, its ecosystems, its native fauna, such as the iconic guanacos, pumas, huemuls, which is a type of Andean deer. And travelers can hike, fly fish, kayak, mountain bike, photograph, fossil hunt, ice hike, rock climb, or run a marathon, all beneath the watchful gaze of the famous and stunning towers. The most famous hiking route in Torres del Paine is the W Trek, which visits the base of the iconic towers, the French Valley, and the Grey Glacier. The W Trek can be done in 3 to 5 days, or travelers can choose a wilder, longer route, the Paine Big Circuit or the O Circuit. This is a 58-mile trek, and it can be done in 7 to 8 days, and it circles around the entire Paine Massif. Both treks require camping or nights spent in mountain refugios or a combination of both. Far away from the crowded park refugios and campsites lies our home base location in the national park, Chile Nativo Riverside Camp. This area is ideal for families or special groups who are setting off to the park, or for those looking for an alternative and unique outdoor experience. This is also the perfect base camp for the 3-day W Trek program. Our deluxe Lotus tents are all-weather, durable tents that protect against the bracing Patagonia elements. Meals are freshly prepared and enjoyed in a cozy dining lodge with exceptional views of the Paine Massif. It's a camping experience like no other. For the ultimate backpacking experience, you can trek the isolated Dientes de Navarino, which is 5 bracing days of mountain passes, undisturbed landscapes, glassy lagoons, and vast southern skies. This is a very remote, adventurous route suited for trekkers chasing a stirring experience far from the crowds of Patagonia's well-trodden trails. This is the world's southernmost trek, and it offers pure backcountry camping.
For me, Navarino is kind of the epitome of Patagonia because there's nobody here. It's a very remote, very wild place. It's something that you definitely can't get in the United States. It's very hard to find any place with no people anymore. And so to come to a place where for 6 days you can go hiking, where there's no infrastructure, no people, it's just you and your friends and the crazy weather of the end of the world, which you've come to expect. For me, that's kind of the epitome of what Patagonia is, the rugged remoteness and just the beautiful nature that you find here.
And for those seeking a different type of adventure, you can experience an overland adventure in Tierra del Fuego. This is a famous area for its remote and extreme landscapes at the world's end. Along this adventure, you'll stay in iconic and historic estancias and cozy lodges, And you'll have your very own mobile base camp equipped with a kitchen, a heating system, a hot shower, private changing station, and separate sleeping areas. All of the overland equipment is designed for the rugged terrain and extreme conditions of Patagonia and Tierra del Fuego. While by day you'll drive across the sweeping landscapes and endless skies, that is the final stretch of the continent. And you can choose between horseback riding, mountain biking, and hiking options. This is a program that allows you to be as active as you'd like while still finding ample time to relax and soak in the scenery in this pristine location of the world. Overland travel is a fantastic option for families or for those seeking to travel differently with privacy, safety, comfort, and the best amenities on the road. Self-guided or guide-supported overland excursions include all of the equipment needed for the ultimate trip, traveling through Patagonia's remote and remarkable terrains. A new type of travel, allowing you to go further and enjoy Tierra del Fuego in a whole new way. Overland travel explores the in-betweens and creates a unique connection with the land, its history, culture, and food. These excursions are 100% tailor-made and include all logistics and equipment needed for the ultimate personalized trip. Last but not least, when you choose your next destination in Patagonia, travel north to the region of Aysén. This region features deep fjords, exquisite aquamarine glaciers, and soaring snow-capped mountains. This remote and rugged region is an outdoor adventurous paradise, offering a wide range of fantastic activities. Activities such as an unforgettable 11-day adventure along a rewarding journey known as the Spirit of Aysén. Prepare to be enchanted by the beauty, the untouched wilderness, and the landscapes of northern Patagonia, accompanied only by its unspoiled and unvisited territory. This adventure offers a unique challenge, perfect for those in search of something entirely new. You'll cross rivers, navigate lakes, you'll see glaciers, and hike through ancient forests in this incredible region of Patagonia. And thank you so much for checking out this Chile travel training presentation. Again, my name's Alicia with Chile Nativo Travel. And for more information or to plan your next Patagonia adventure, check out our website, chilenativo.travel, our social networks, or send us an email.